Hi guys, the Pixel 9a has finally arrived. It took 48 hours. And as you can see, we have company. The old Pixel 5, still a beautiful phone. I loved it, which we traded in on the Google store to get a discount on the Pixel 9a. Basically, we saved 270 euros. It's still here because we have to send it back for the trade-in, and we'll make a video about that too. But right now, the star is the Pixel 9a. Let's get straight to the unboxing. Let me remind you, the packaging is made from recycled paper, so it's a bit darker, in line with Google's eco-friendly choices. Let's pull the two tabs that allow us to open the box. Let's take the package out. Here it is. Here we'll have the vertical opening. Here it is in all its glory, the Pixel 9a. Let's first take out the smartphone with the classic more protective paper. We'll try to take it out without tearing the paper as always, but as always, we probably won't manage. Oh well, let's peel off the protection. And here it is. Pixel 9a in all its beauty. Porcelain grey color, clay grey, I can't remember whether it's called that on the Italian Google store or the English one. It should be porcelain. Really, very beautiful. Steel finish. Unlike the 9 Pro, the steel. Here is matte, as you can see, not glossy. Personally, I like it better this way. Let's set it down and see what comes out of the box. The usual manuals with the SIM more removal poke tool. The manual is actually quite thick, more than usual. And as always, the charging cable. They no longer include the charger, so the classic plug is no longer provided with mobile phones, always for green choices, and to avoid, in short, the overproduction of electronic waste. So, once again, I remind you that we purchased the Pixel 9a until May 14th tonight, as I'm recording, until midnight. You can take advantage of the trade-in with a super valuation of 150 euros. After this date, it will probably still be possible to do the trade-in, but you won't get the 150 euro super entered valuation. So most likely my Pixel 5, which is worth 270 euros for this purchase, will start to be worth around 100 euros, I think, or maybe even a bit less. That's all for tonight. There will be a follow-up video with the unboxing of the case and another video with the second step of the trade-in, so the exchange, where I'll show how to prepare the Pixel 5 in the package provided by Google to send it back and finally get the refund. That's it for tonight. I greet you and thank you for watching. As always, I invite you to subscribe to the channel because you will always get the latest news from Google. Leave me a like and recommend me to your friends who don't know how to handle smartphones and Google services. We help everyone out. Thank you guys. Bye.